Welcome to a journey back in time, to an era when automobiles were transforming society, sparking innovation, and redefining mobility itself. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic models from the dawn of the automotive age, the 1913 Cadillac Model 30. A marvel of engineering, design, and luxury, this vehicle represents a pivotal chapter in automotive history, embodying the spirit of progress that characterized the early 20th century. To truly appreciate the significance of the 1913 Cadillac Model 30, we must first understand the landscape of the automotive world during that period. The early 1900s were a time of rapid technological advancement, fierce competition among manufacturers, and an emerging culture of automotive innovation. The automobile industry was still young, but giants like Cadillac, Ford, and Oldsmobile were already establishing legacies that would shape transportation for generations. The 1913 Cadillac Model 30 stands out as a flagship luxury automobile, distinguished not only by its elegant appearance but also by its engineering prowess. It exemplifies Cadillac's commitment to quality, performance, and pioneering design. This vehicle was aimed at a discerning clientele: wealthy entrepreneurs, industrialists, and aristocrats who valued exclusivity, reliability, and style. As we delve into the specifics, let's first explore the chassis and bodywork. The Model 30 featured an all-steel frame, a significant technological advancement at the time, providing increased rigidity, durability, and safety. The body was typically coach-built, tailored to the customer's preferences, often crafted by renowned bodies like Fisher or Fleetwood. These bodies could range from luxurious sedans and coupes to touring cars designed for open-air driving. The attention to detail was extraordinary, with quality craftsmanship and fine materials such as rich wood veneer and plush upholstery. One of the defining features of the 1913 Model 30 was its engine. Under the hood sat a robust four-cylinder monoblock engine that produced approximately 30 horsepower, which was a considerable figure at the time, reflecting Cadillac's emphasis on power and smoothness. This engine was different from earlier models. It moved away from the heavier, less reliable engine designs of the past, embracing tighter manufacturing tolerances and improved metallurgy. The engine block was cast as a single piece, known as monoblock construction, which enhanced strength and reduced the number of leaks and oil passages, a common issue in early engines. It featured a water-cooled design, with a radiator mounted at the front that kept the engine operating at optimal temperatures. The engine delivered power to the rear wheels via a conventional transmission and drive shaft, enabling confident cruising speeds for the era. Speaking of performance, the Model 30 could reach speeds of approximately 45 to 50 miles per hour, a remarkable feat at the time. Its chassis was engineered for a smooth ride. The car featured a 114-inch wheelbase, providing stability and comfort, especially praised during long-distance journeys across rough and poorly maintained roads of the early 20th century. The transmission in the 1913 Cadillac Model 30 was a 3-speed manual gearbox, operated via a foot clutch and a gear lever. This setup allowed drivers to select gears manually, requiring skill but granting control over the vehicle's power delivery. The brakes were initially mechanical drum brakes on the rear wheels, a standard technology that worked adequately but would later see significant improvements in subsequent years. The suspension system was another key aspect, with front suspension employing cantilever springs, and the rear utilizing semi-elliptic leaf springs. These components contributed to a surprisingly comfortable ride considering the road conditions of the time. Cadillac was renowned for its focus on comfort and safety, factors that helped bolster its reputation among elite buyers. Moving on to the aesthetics, the 1913 Cadillac Model 30 displayed elegant lines reflective of the Art Nouveau and early Art Deco influences, with rounded fenders, a prominent grille, and artfully crafted body panels. The radiator grille was large and upright, with a prominent Cadillac crest, a symbol of luxury.